So now I will show you how to activate your pin, how to activate your ID. First of all, after you log in, you press right here on the top corner as from the menu. When you press here, then you can see this option here, this pin details. You press here the pin details, then you can see this unused pin right here, then you press there. Here you can see I have requested many around six pins here for my users, for the team. And you can see here we have from this one, these are the pins that we have purchased from the courses. You can see the courses here it will appear here, it appears here right there, pin number, and then this is the pin we have to, if you want to activate your ID, you just press here. So your downline wants to activate with the ID 599, so I have to press here this one. If you press there, now you can see this box will appear here. So the amount for activation is 599, and then we have the user ID here, the place where you can fill your user ID. So once you have done copying the ID, you have to copy the ID and then paste it like this. Suppose once paste it here, then your name will appear here. You have to see your name. This is by only one, but this is not it's okay only. Next time don't make a mistake putting double, so recheck your whatever you have entered in the during the registration process, so that you won't make any mistake. But it is okay if it is like this also. If you write only Priska also, it's okay. So, or your first name, it's okay, but it's better that you fill your name with the correct name from your PAN card. Once you have done this, then you press submit. Once you press submit, then your ID will be topped up successfully. You can see this. So that's as easy as that. You can do the top up. Once you have requested a pin, I have already put the video for the how to order the pin. So I think you have ordered the pin, then it will come like this. Okay, so once ordered, it will come here in the unused pins. So you will see here. Suppose if 1000 pin requested, then it will appear here 1000 or 2100 or 3100 pin, like that. For the activation only. Okay. Now after the activation, you can go and buy products from the NV Shoppe mall. Okay. So friends, that's all. Thank you so much.